Welcome to Santa's Workshop TV, where Christmas cheer is made right here. Last year was one of those years when even an old fellow like me wondered if the world had forgotten how to be kind. Letters felt more worried than hopeful. Parents sounded tired. Even the North Pole felt quieter. Then I saw a small act. A child left a thank you note for a tired teacher. No cameras, no rewards, just a child choosing kindness because it felt right. That's when I remembered something important. Children don't learn kindness from magic. They're the magic. So yes, I still believe in children. Because every time the world grows a little darker, one small light always finds a way to shine. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until we meet again, stay jolly, be good, and keep the spirit alive all year long.